Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to integrate SurveyMonkey with Mailchimp. Now, the first thing I want you to do is just open up any survey, and then once this survey opens up, I will go ahead and click on collect responses. Okay, I just want you to click on this and wait for this to redirect you to this page. Scroll down until you see integrations. Go ahead and click on Mailchimp. If you don't see it right here among the top, you can click on explore more integrations, but you should see it one of the first ones. So once we click on that, I just want you to come here to this page and then click on install. Okay, so we're installing this app, okay, which is Mailchimp, into SurveyMonkey, and then this will redirect us to Mailchimp. Just make sure you're logged in, and here in Mailchimp, I want you to scroll down, click on connect right here, as you can see, and then I want you to just go ahead and scroll down, click on authorize, right? Just make sure you're logged in, click on authorize, and it will redirect you to this page right here. And as you can see, let's give it a few seconds. And if we scroll down, there we go. SurveyMonkey integration has been successfully set up and is verified. You can go ahead and test the connection, and there you go. It is really that easy to integrate SurveyMonkey with Mailchimp.